Welcome to Vision Academy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a 3D Pixar-style animated video completely with AI. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need expensive animation software, a big team, or advanced skills. With the help of AI tools, you can now generate your own animated videos step by step, even if you were a complete beginner. Before we dive in, let's have a look at the video we are going to create.
Milo and Toby live in a bright, magical forest. They play every day.
As you can see, this is a 3D Pixar-style animation with characters, scenes, and a complete story. And in this tutorial, you will learn exactly how to make this kind of video from scratch. In this video, we will learn how to create this type of video step by step. We'll go from story creation to audio generation to image and scene design, and finally, we'll compile everything into a full animated video. Now, before I reveal the name of the main AI tool we will use, let's first create a story. For this, we will open ChatGPT. In the chat box, I will type, "I want to create 3D Pixar-style animated video." For this, I am asking you to create a story of two friends. ChatGPT will now generate a complete story for us. Usually, it gives you a beginning, middle, and end with characters, a plot, and some emotional elements. Copy the story that ChatGPT generates because we will be using this text in the next step. Now that we have our story, it's time to generate the audio. To do this, open a new browser tab and search for Google AI Studio. Click on the official link and log in with your Google account if you are not logged in yet. On the homepage of Google AI Studio, click on the option that says Generate Native Speech with Gemini. This will allow us to turn the story into natural-sounding speech. Choose the option for single-speaker audio mode. If you want to adjust the style of the narration, you can add your instructions in the Style Instructions text box. For example, you could type, "Narrate in a calm, storytelling voice," or use an energetic and friendly tone. For now, I will keep the default style as it is. Paste the copied story text into the text box, and then choose from the available voices. There are multiple voices you can experiment with, but I will keep the default voice for now. Finally, click on the Run button to generate the audio. After a few seconds, the audio will be ready. Play it to preview.
Milo and Toby live in a bright, magical forest. They play every day near a broken wooden bridge over a river. Milo always stares at the bridge, wishing to cross it, but he's too scared. Toby teases him, but also encourages him. One day,
And once you are happy, click on the Download button to save the audio file onto your computer. This audio will serve as the narration for our animated video. Now, let's move to the visuals. Open another new browser tab and search again for Google AI Studio. Click on the official link and log in if you haven't already. This time, we will use Google AI Studio to generate scene prompts and images. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the story that was generated earlier. Paste this story into Google AI Studio's text box, and at the end of the story, type, "Give me the 3D Pixar-style images of 16:9 ratio prompts for each scene of this script." Google AI Studio will now generate prompts for each scene and also create images in Pixar-style 3D design. The advantage of this method is that all your scenes will maintain character consistency, which is very important when creating an animated video. Once the images are generated, preview them carefully and download each one onto your computer. These images will become the visual scenes of our animation. After you have downloaded all the images, it's time to turn them into animated video clips. For this, open a new browser tab and search for digen.ai. Click on the official link to go to the website. On the top right-hand side of the website, you will see a profile icon. Click on it, and then either log in with your Google account by clicking on Continue with Google, or log in using your email and password. I will click on Continue with Google for simplicity. Once logged in, you will see the digen.ai dashboard. Click on the Create button to begin. On the bottom left-hand side of the dashboard, you will see the Upload button. This is where you can upload your images. Upload the first image you downloaded from Google AI Studio. Next, copy the corresponding prompt generated by Google AI Studio for that image and paste it into digen.ai. The tool will now generate an animated clip from your static image. Repeat this process for all the images one by one, uploading each image and pasting its respective prompt. Once digen.ai finishes processing, you will have multiple animated video clips for all your scenes. Now it's time to bring everything together. Open any video editing software to combine the audio and video clips. For this tutorial, I will use OpenShot Video Editor because it's free and easy to use. Once OpenShot is open, drag all of the video clips you created with digen.ai into the media library and also drag in the audio narration we generated earlier using Google AI Studio. Now adjust the audio narration to sync up with the video clips. You may need to trim or stretch some clips to match the timing of the narration. You can also add background music or sound effects if you want to enhance the experience further. Once everything is set, preview your project to make sure the video flows smoothly. If you're happy with the result, click on Export to render the final video file. Choose your preferred resolution, for example, Full HD 1080p, and wait for the export to complete. Now, let's take a look at the video generated.
Milo and Toby live in a bright, magical forest. They play every day near a broken wooden bridge over a river. Milo always stares at the bridge, wishing to cross it, but he's too scared. Toby teases him but also encourages him. One day, Toby decides to cross the half-broken bridge to reach a glowing tree on the other side. Halfway across, the bridge starts to break. Toby hangs on, scared for the first time. Milo freezes in fear but realizes his friend needs him. Milo takes a deep breath, conquers his fear, and runs across the bridge with a stick to pull Toby up. The two struggle, but Milo's bravery saves Toby. Together, they finally reach the glowing tree. The tree blooms with magical light, restoring the broken bridge. Milo learns courage, and Toby learns the value of caution. They hug, laughing as the forest sparkles around them. True friendship means balancing each other's strengths and weaknesses. Together, we can cross any bridge.
As you can see, we now have a Pixar-style 3D animated video complete with narration and consistent characters across all the scenes. And the best part is that we achieved this entire project using AI tools without any advanced technical knowledge. This process may sound long at first, but once you do it a couple of times, it becomes very straightforward. First, create your story with ChatGPT. Second, generate narration with Google AI Studio. Third, use Google AI Studio again to create Pixar-style images and prompts. Fourth, animate those images with digen.ai. And finally, compile everything with a free video editor like OpenShot. That's how you can create an AI 3D animation video step by step, even as a complete beginner. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Vision Academy, and share this with your friends who might be interested in AI content creation. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.